50s was not just another decade for India. It was a decade of change. A decade of charismatic leaders, 5-year plans, and ambitious entrepreneurs. Especially the year 1956, when 4 such ambitious young men, the Munjal brothers, decided to lay the foundation of an iconic bicycle assembly business. This is the story of Hero.
Mid-50s, countries were looking for industrialization and Punjab didn't want to remain behind. So did Munjal brothers, we 4 brothers also decided that we should get into a complete bicycle making. For us it was a big challenge, but since we took it up, we decided to put up the most modern plant. It was a very good combination of the will of people working in and the desire of the owners. So I think where we started and where this company is today, everybody knows about it.
An annual turnover of approximately $5.4 billion every year, and ISO certified quality standards have earned the brand the recognition as a super brand, a coveted group of exceptionally powerful brands. Today, we are world's largest bicycle manufacturer with over 90 million international quality bicycles sold across 85 countries, an achievement that has earned us a place in the Guinness Book of World Records.
Sir, delivery for you.
Thank you. Hero Cycle's commitment to change is visible in our practice of constant technological upgradation. Our state-of-the-art bicycle manufacturing unit is equipped with advanced technological processes like robotic welding, brazing, electroplating, and electrostatic high-speed turbo disc unit, the world's best German paint technology. Even the vacuum-loaded poly-Euro saddles are made in the country's only fully automated saddle plant. The uniqueness of our flagship Ludhiana plant has tempted many famous personalities to pay us a visit time and again. Initiating change really begins with introducing your employees to the future. A future of advanced technological awareness and superior capabilities. Regular training programs are a norm at Hero. Even our marketing and management teams are constantly creating new and effective strategies using modern management techniques. Today, a Hero Cycle isn't just the common man's vehicle. Over the years, the profile of a typical Hero Cycle customer has changed dramatically. From old classics like Hero Roadster, which has been a favorite with Indian public for decades, to advanced cycles for kids, teenagers, and cycling enthusiasts. We offer the widest variety of bicycles. Also, a committed R&D division helps us introduce more advanced, futuristic bicycle models which are better suited to the changing tastes and lifestyles. Yes, the bicycles of the future. Like this extremely lightweight yet sturdy carbon fiber bike. For cycling enthusiasts, we have international city bikes like Hero Trax. And for the adventure seeker, we have the stylish Urban Trail. Loaded with features like world-class Shimano gears, all aluminium body, multiple suspensions, and German paint technology. These bikes are technologically advanced even by international standards. No wonder, today Hero cycles are being exported to all the neighboring countries, as well as to developed countries across the world, from Africa, Spain, Finland, Poland, Fiji and Sweden, right up to the UK and the US. The real strength of Hero Cycles lies in our 2,500 strong Hero dealer network spread across the country. Years of delivering quality products to the discerning customer have earned our dealers a respect that few others enjoy in the business. Today, the mantle of change is dutifully carried by our dealers. The remarkably different and classier look of the leading Hero dealerships is something that's here to stay. At Hero, we believe there's a way out of a polluted environment, clogged roads and increasing health problems. So does a new generation of cyclists who are riding Hero for a change towards a better tomorrow. That's why even our plants are equipped with modern effluent treatment systems that care for the environment. And now, let's listen to the man whose vision has always been a guiding light for our organization. A man who stood by his principles and showed the world the true meaning of a hero, Mr. O.P. Munjal.
Hero cycles have been marching ahead from the very beginning. Starting from scratch, 25 cycles a day, and now 19,000 cycles a day, there must be something special. Price-wise, we were most economical, quality-wise, top class, and after-sales service. Even small complaints have been taken very seriously. Over the years, we have finally established the core values of trust, loyalty, and innovation in our organization, which brought Hero to this level. Presently, Hero Cycle is number one as far as quality is concerned, service is concerned, price is concerned, and will remain number one in the coming time too.
At Hero, what differentiates us from the rest is technology. We have joint venture partners from East, Japan, Sumitomo Kiryu. We have joint venture partners from West, ZF. And we have best practices from these into our cycle business. Along with this, we serve some of the best customers in the world, like BMW in Munich, Bombardier in Mexico and Canada, and have got this experience. This is what gets into the cycle.
The Hero Auto Rim division based in Mangli, Ludhiana is the most highly rated facility for nickel chrome plating anywhere in the world. With a world-class manufacturing plant in Ghaziabad, Hero Motors produces top-notch gears and transmission systems for the recreation industry, catering to esteemed customers like BMW, BRP and Harley-Davidson motorcycles. In fact, it's the only Indian auto parts supplier for the BMW. Munjal Kiryu Industries Private Limited is a joint venture between Hero Motors and Sumitomo Corporation with Kiryu Corporation. The company specializes in ferrous casting technology and is the #1 manufacturer of brake discs, brake drums, cylinder block, pressure plate, brake plate, and steering knuckles for leading automotive brands. Another group company, ZF Hero Chassis Systems, is a joint venture between Hero Motors and ZF Lemforder of Germany. The company secures European technology and expertise in chassis technology for small car segment in India. A company that started over 5 decades ago has grown into a multi-product and multi-business conglomerate, known for setting new standards in quality and product innovation. Today, it's well prepared and truly poised for future leadership. All this has been made possible by the grit, determination and enterprise of our real heroes, our people. are many more dreams, many more aspirations that will be fulfilled with time. But for now, the focus is to continue along the same path, ride high in the future, and to be heroes in the spirit and in form. Together, we'll make sure that the one thing that never changes at Hero is the phenomenon of innovation, constant upgradation, and an innate desire to be the best in the business.
रंज तकलीफ न नफरत का किसी के दिल में भी दाग जले, हर तरफ खुशियों के उजाले हों, हर तरफ प्यार का चिराग जले।